Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to open apps in pop-up view from the recent app screen. So in the recent app screen, instead of just switching between full screen apps, you can now tap an app and choose to open it in pop-up view. So this is faster than just tapping on the app and then opening in pop-up view. So the most common way of opening something in split screen or pop-up view is by opening up this task manager here or the recent app view, tapping on notes at the top here, and then you can go ahead and select what you like, split screen or pop-up view. Let me show you a quick way of opening it in pop-up view or split screen by just going to your recent app screen. So go ahead and open your recent app screen. Go ahead and choose the app. So for example, this one here, long press on this. Go ahead and choose where you want to drop it. So split screen mode or the pop-up view. I'll go ahead and choose in pop-up view. And now this is in pop-up view. So like this, you can go ahead and open up any app in pop-up view instantly. So you have a quicker multitasking. You don't have to leave the recent view or hunt through app menus. It's the flexibility. So pop-up view lets you overlay apps, resize and drag. And this is like a seamless workflow. So you can check a message while staying in your current app without full screen switch. So there you go, guys. That is how to open apps in pop-up view or split screen view from the recent app screen.